Wow. I learned about a little trick when I was having trouble drawing arms before. You see, there's a torso, and you're just like, I want to draw my hand here. Hello. But I don't know how to draw the arm. Apparently, you take a point here, and then you take a point here on your arm. You draw a line between it, and then right between it, draw 90 degrees angle, and draw another point. Well, you kind of have to decide the length, but apparently that's gonna be like your elbow. Very roughly. This is really rough. I'm sorry. So right here, if her point is here and her hand is here, draw 90, and that's where the elbow would be. And like here too. And like sometimes you gotta think about the angle that you're looking from, I think. So if it was like this, from this angle, that'll be 90 degrees. And then her elbow will be like right there. Art is geometry. Or is geometry art? That was deep. That was deep.
Ina's method can quickly plan the position of the arms, but only for the pose with the same length of upper and lower arms. Then we take Hoshimachi Suisei as an example. The right hand fits the formula, but the left hand doesn't. This is because we must consider the 3D space. So the length of the lower arm is compressed. Let's do the reverse engineering to check it out. We take off Suisei's sleeves first. Drawing a cross-section makes the lower arm 3D. Then we draw all the points and lines. We can get the appearance of the arm in 3D space. Finally, we move it to the 2D plane. It still conforms to the arm formula. So if determining the position of shoulders and hands, we can draw a very proportional arm.